right? I know someone is thinking this probably is supposed to be someone's name. Well, it is not. Now, this is going to be your ester, right? Now, what is it that we know about the ester? Now, the esters, it consists of this functional group. The functional group of an ester is like this. So this one is COO, right? This is going to be the COO, then bonded with the what? The C this side, and bonded with anything from this side. How to get now? Basically, that is going to be the significant of this particular group, right? So it's going to be found like this, or rather it's going to be something that is like this. That is going to be that. And now your ester. Now, just a brief summary, but you're still going to be, discuss this in details. Now, your ester is formed through the process of what? Of esterification, right? It is formed through the process of esterification. So basically, during the process of esterification, it's when you are having what? It's when you are having your alcohol, right? Your alcohol bonding with your what? Bonding with your carboxylic acid, oxalic acid, right? Now that is basically going to be your ester, right? Now, and what is it that you can take into cognizance about this particular ester of ours? Is that now your ester? Now, this family of ester, now it consists of these particular thing. Now, from here you can separate this. Now, if you can separate this from here, remember we said it is from alcohol and also carboxylic acid. Now, if this can be separated in here, now if this can be separated in here, let's use another color, right? Now, this side that is here, right? Now, this side that is here, firstly, it is the side of a what? This is the side of the alcohol. And this side is the side of the what? Of the carboxylic acid. This is the side of the carboxylic acid. And carboxylic acid. And how do you identify that? After the double bonded O, then the other O represent your alcohol. And now what else can you take from this? This now is going to be what? Now this is the prefix of this. This is the prefix of your ester name, and this is going to be what? This is going to be your suffix, right? This is going to be your suffix. This is going to be your suffix of it, right? So now we are saying your suffix, your prefix of your ester is going to be given by the name of an alcohol, and the suffix is then going to be given by the name of what? Of your carboxylic, right? And now, therefore, which means how is then this going to be? Now, which means the overall suffix here, the overall suffix then there, it's going to be given by what? By OH, right? This is going to be given by OH, right? Now that is going to be the fundamental suffix. Now, for example, if I can give you that, you are given your methyl, then this is methyl ethanoate. Now, let's say we are having this. Now, what is going to be this ethyl ethanoate? Now, this is going to be given by what? Firstly, let's start with this functional group. This is C double bond O, and this is going to be your O. Now, we said these separate these two. So, what is going to be the significance of your alcohol? Your alcohol is meth, which means it's 1C. Right? So which means that this is going to be just only 1C. Then this is going to be C bonded with your H, and then your H, right? Then now the ethanoate is going to be what? The 2 C's now, which means from here, it's going to be how many C's coming this side? It's going to be 2 C's, right? As you can see, this is going to be the 2 C's that we are having here, right? And how is that going to be bonded? This is going to be bonded with an H also, H. Fine. Now that is basically going to be your ethyl ethanoate, right? Now that is going to be a methyl ethanoate, right? So basically, these are all the fundamental functional groups and also the homologous series of these. Okay. Now, hopefully this, makes sense to you. And now, by now, you are having the significance of these. Now, lastly, now these basically consist of also your what? It also consists of your suffix, or rather, it consists of your general formula. Look at me thinking of a suffix, general formula. And now the general formula of these is almost the same as the one of the carboxylic acid. This is same as your CN, H2, then this is going to be H2N and also your O2, right? Now, basically, that is going to be this family of esters, right? So I want us to stop here for today. Thank you very much for tuning in. Thank you very much.